Hello everyone. Today we got our Misfits market box. It was pretty damaged, but wanted to show you what we got. These are the ice packs. It took this an extra day to get here, so I wasn't very happy.
This to ice. This to ice.
So we got this take and bake bread. We got, oh wow, this kind of looks like a mess, like a complete disaster. Got some oat milk. Can you believe this? This is just damaged beyond belief. There's 4 of these.
It's not been pierced.
It's not been pierced.
No.
Well, there should have been 4 of these oat milks. They're completely crushed. I mean, it looks like the box was already open whenever I got it. And yeah, this is a complete disaster. There's another one of these oat milks. As you can see, it's crushed. Not quite as bad as the last one. This looks like the only one that isn't crushed, this 4th one. See, I got this tuna. That was extra.
I want to hold 2 things.
Okay, you can give stuff to Da. How's that? Got some of these mushrooms. Here, Angus. You give this to Da. We got some of these mushrooms. Packaging is already all droopy. There should have been a 3rd kind. Here it is. And these mushrooms are almost slimy looking. Not happy about that. The quality of this week's box is not nearly what I usually get. I'm not happy about this at all. See, I got some blueberries. Some tomatoes. And it looks like some of them fell out of the packaging. Got some apples, and by the looks of it, these apples that are damaged, I think they were damaged by the cartons of oat milk. So you got 2, 3, 4. That one's pretty bruised. 5, 6 apples, I think. 6 apples, and this one's bruised. Got some more of these tomatoes. Got this salad this lettuce rather. This will definitely have to be used today. If I don't just feed it to the worms, because it actually already looks slimy, so I'm not sure if that's even edible. Not happy about that.
I got 3 apples. I want to take 3 apples.
See, a zucchini. Just needs to be cleaned up and processed because it's broken. 2, 3. Yeah, having those boxes of oat milk in there crushed these. 4. This one's badly damaged. 4. I'm gonna have to prep all of these and get them frozen because they're gonna go bad real quick. 5, 6. 6 of these zucchini, and they are all damaged. We got this second kind of lettuce. This looks like a butter leaf. lettuce. It looks like it's in way better condition than the other lettuce. We got some green apples. These are all, that's severely bruised as well. Let's see, all right, a second one of those. 3. So I think 3 of those apples. Looks like you got some mango. Second mango. Got 2 real scraggly looking bunches of these table onions. And with the green parts of these, I dry them and then I put them in my blender and I actually use them as a substitute for powdered onion.
I can.
We got some of these little red chilies. I don't know, these are hot, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. Careful, these might be spicy, son. Don't try to eat it, okay? Hold on, we have another one. Here's number 4. Number 4 chili.
Wait, give me the. I want chili.
You want the chilies?
Yep.
Okay.
I want chili.
And we got some yellow onions this week. Looks like we got 4, I think 4 of these onions, yellow onions. Last week they sent us white onions. And this is all organic. And then I ordered this paprika. It's organic because I needed more paprika.
No, you don't.
No, we don't.
No.
A pumpkin. What is that?
Butternut. No, wait, this is not. This is an acorn squash. I'm sorry.
Acorn squash.
Acorn squash.
Oh.
What's wrong with Ollie? So they sent us pieces of carrots anyway. More pieces of carrots. More carrots. Couple more, let's see. 3 more of these chilies. Purple sweet potatoes. I actually ordered these separate. That was, I paid extra for those. Here's another one. That was 5 little of those. Oh, found another little chili.
You can have this one. I don't want it.
And then there's 2 of these squash.
I can find it.
I've had these before. And I just made it into a soup. So, got 2 of these.
I don't want this.
Some of these little limes. It's like 7 of those. Which I have a lime tree, but these are as tiny as these limes may look. These are actually bigger than the limes that I get off my lime tree. I have a lime tree. Two avocados. They're little, definitely not even close to being ripe. I paid extra for these as well. This wasn't normally included. And see, 4 potatoes, yellow potatoes. And then there's just a couple of loose cherry tomatoes that escaped. And that is it. That's what we got in our box this week. As you could see, the box was opened whenever she handed it to me off the truck, and just about everything was severely damaged. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that oat milk because yeah, I'm gonna have to dump it inside of a different container. That's not gonna work. I mean, I don't even think that they'll even be able to stand. The boxes were so damaged. Like I said last week it was way better. The produce looked absolutely spectacular, but I don't know. Like I said, it took an extra day to get the box, and so I think it was just dropped a couple of times. I mean, the box is like, you know, you can see like it's ripped. It's just absolutely in horrible condition. But anyway, I'll definitely be ordering again, but I don't think I'm going to be ordering any add-ons except the oat milk. And that's just because it's cheaper getting it through, this company, Misfits Market, than what it is for me to go to the grocery store by probably 50%. So I will keep getting my milk through them, but I am going to send them something telling them that, yeah, that was not acceptable the way that was. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great week, and I'll talk to you this weekend.